Arsenal there's just a little bit more about the whole body of work that Arsenal put together right now that I feel they are better placed right now to go and win the title. Now, the Champions League's different because you can have a bad 10 minutes and lose the Champions League. That's totally... You don't have a bad 10 minutes and lose the Premier League. If you're good enough, you'll win it. Champions League's different. Arsenal will be there or thereabouts, mate. They might have a bad refereeing decision. There might be a bad decision defensively. But over the course of this year, Arsenal go deep in this competition and they're going to go very, very close. I think they win the Premier League, and it's up to Liverpool.
Wait, what's going?
If Jason Cundy, of all people, who hates Arsenal with passion, can come out and tell you, say Arsenal will win the league because of the squad in the sea, just know, say we get him. Because this man is a man that hates Arsenal with passion. He never sees anything good in what we do. Even when we win, we will still look for one negative thing to still bring them back into the game of Arsenal. For him to be this objective, say no get any choice than to be objective. And just the truth. This one where you see on the screen now, this Cundy O'Hara. Now another person will say he hates Arsenal with passion based on in affiliations with Tottenham Hotspur. So you don't like Arsenal at all. So I know the surprise. We're saying going to go on fight this in Cundy now.
Going on with you, by the way.
What do you mean?
What do you mean they're going to win the Premier League? And you nearly said they're going to win the Champions League.
No, I think they go deep in the Champions League. I think they will. They are good enough, mate. They are. When everyone's fit, they're a problem. What are you laughing at? Why are you being nasty?
No.
I know, say Jason, for those who don't know, Jason Cundy na Chelsea fan, strong one. You get O'Hara and Tottenham Hotspur fan, strong one. So may you understand the context. Say no Arsenal fan they here. Like they talk within themselves.
I'm not being nasty.
It's
I'm
not
just,
Spurs.
what?
No, listen, do you know what your problem?
No, but
right? You can't see beyond it. I'm a Chelsea fan.
Hey, we had a good result last
I would
night.
hate nothing more than that Arsenal win anything, right?
Chidi. These are pundits on radio. I will hate for Arsenal to win anything, but I cannot deny the fact that they have the best squad, and I see them winning the Premier League this season. That is an objective fact, regardless of your affiliations.
But come on, be fair. You're not fair, are you?
I'm very fair.
Well, be honest. Are they a problem?
Well, I think they're a good side. I think they're a decent squad, and they've improved it.
Just decent.
They won nothing last season.
No.
This is not about last season. This is not about last season. We're talking about this season. This season. Stop deflecting.
I know they didn't.
So,
you're right.
You're sat here like they've done the double, and they're going into this season on fire.
No,
they're the third favourites for me in the Premier League.
Well, they're not. The bookies will tell you they're the favourites.
But that's absolute garbage.
Well, don't blame
how can they be favourites? How? Please tell me how Arsenal can be favourites.
Arsenal there's just a little bit more about the whole body of work.
Well, I want to play the video again, but it's fine. I believe saying I don't get the message.